We're super excited to show you more of the Pacific Northwest and more specifically, what we found around Mount Vernon. Mount Vernon has many amazing restaurants. The Co-op was our go-to spot for not only coffee, but also pastries and breakfast sandwiches. The Anacortes Art Festival dominates downtown, and it came highly recommended. It has art, music, and food, especially the famous bumbleberry pie, which is offered from the Jared Deli, located on Commercial Avenue.
I like big books and I cannot lie.
I love the... Nope, not today.
There was something for everyone and no one came away empty-handed. Of course, Anacortes is on an island and it was so nice to walk along the waterfront. Wow. We are here at Anacortes. We came out to the park, Cap Santee.
Went to an art festival and this is the view from the top of the park.
Anacortes is a thriving seaside town. The last time we were here, we took a boat to go whale watching. Cap Santee Park has 37 acres of amazing vistas. This beautiful vantage point has breathtaking views of the marina, Mount Baker, and the adjacent islands. Up in Bellingham, we went to WhatCom Falls. It's a 241-acre park. Washington is just full of pretty things. The park has about 3 miles of trails, but of course the star is the waterfall. We took Washington Route 11 back south from Bellingham towards Mount Vernon. It's a scenic drive along the Samish and Chuckanut Bays with a view of the San Juan Islands. Route 11 is called the Chuckanut Drive and it closely parallels the railway used by Amtrak here.
Larrabee State Park.
Larrabee State Park is along this road and it's the oldest state park in Washington and includes camping. And there was a great little find in Burlington. It had good food and unique decor. As we love trains, this certainly did not disappoint. That's what I'm talking about. Okay.
You got 2 engines, you ain't gonna carry a whole lot. You have 2 in the back. You could have 2 pushers.
So this is going up Little Mountain, practically in Garrett and Kate's backyard in Mount Vernon. Wow, so just out of Mount Vernon, practically in Mount Vernon, we're up on Little Mountain with a water view. Wow, so we are overlooking Mount Vernon and Burlington and the Puget Sound.
Skagit Valley. And Mel Baker.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do that too. We're currently working on our next video of our trip over the North Cascade Mountains. We invite you to come along with us and enjoy the ride. Thank you for watching and see you next time.